Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to transform the button text in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I am just editing a web page of my website and I have created a section that is of grid layout, and in that particular grid layout there are two columns. The first one is this one and the second one is this one, and I have simply added a container with background image in the first column. Now what I want is I want to just add a button widget into the first container, right, in the first column. So for adding a button widget, you just need to move your cursor over the black header line on the top, and you need to click on the plus icon, the add element icon, and in the left side toolbar you just need to search for button widget, and then simply drag and drop this button widget into the first container. Okay, it's done. Now what I need to do is I need to edit this button, and for editing this button you can simply move your cursor over the button and you will find a pen icon in the top right corner. You need to click on that, and in the left side toolbar you will find three kinds of setting: the content setting, the style setting, and the advanced setting, right? So for transforming your button text, you need to move to the style setting, and in the style setting you will find the typography setting in the button setting. You just need to click on the pen icon in front of typography to edit the typography of this button, and here you will find the transform option. Right now it is marked as default. You can change it to uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, or normal, right? If I use lowercase, then as you can see the button text has been transformed to lowercase, right? If I select capitalize, then as you can see the first letter of both the words have been capitalized, rest are of lowercase. Okay, if I select the uppercase, then all the letters of these words have been capitalized, or you can say are of uppercase, right? Normal, or you can also set to default. So this is how you can transform the button text in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog, read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.